Hello student, my next topic from this chapter is understanding centripetal and centrifugal force. We are already familiar with what is centripetal force and what is centrifugal force. Centripetal force is something which acts towards the center and centrifugal force is something which acts away from the center. Now take an example. If I tie a stone with the help of a string and this string is revolved in a circular path, so on that time you can see a tension builds up. So tension builds up in both ways. One is away from the center, another is towards the center. Now my question is whether action-reaction pair in case of centripetal and centrifugal force exist. Means, can we say that centripetal force and centrifugal force both are action-reaction pair? Again, most of the students say yes, they are action-reaction pair, but the answer is no. Centrifugal force and centripetal force never make an action-reaction pair. Why? Because to be an action-reaction pair, the forces must act on different bodies and not on the same body. But here, the centripetal force is acting on the body, which is pulling it towards the center, and the centrifugal force is also acting on the body, which is pushing it away from the center. So in this case, it cannot be an action-reaction pair because both the forces are acting on the body, which is tied with the help of a string. Now, another important thing is, of course we know centrifugal force is just an idealization, nothing like centrifugal force exists. But just from Newton's third law of motion, we know force always exists in pair. So in order to explain certain kind of motion, we consider that there is a centrifugal force. Sometimes it is also called pseudo force. So I hope this small concept is clear. Always remember, centripetal force and centrifugal force does not make an action-reaction pair, because another reason here is centripetal force is due to some cause. Centripetal force cannot come by itself. There must be some cause behind it. For example, in this case, the tension of the string is the cause of centripetal force. Similarly, when a planet revolves around the sun, the gravitational force is responsible for centripetal force. So centripetal force does not come by itself. There must be some cause behind it.